Hello and welcome to Logic ERP. Subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon to stay updated with the latest videos.
In this video, we'll show you how to generate a production status report, size-wise, in Logic ERP. So let's get started. Head to the Production module, click on Production Reports Queries, and then go to Production Finished Goods Reports. Then open the Production Status Report, size-wise. Click on Configuration to create a new report setup and assign a suitable report configuration name. In the Print Options section, the Total option allows you to specify which totals you would like to display in the report. Let's select Process Total and Grand Total. In the Report Options section, you can define how your report will be grouped, consolidated, and displayed. Select the basis for report consolidation to determine how entries are aggregated within the report. This setting defines the method and structure used to combine data for comprehensive analysis. Specify the display order of the report data. You can arrange the components in the desired sequence using the available buttons to ensure a clear and structured report layout. The report type defines the focus or scope of the report. The item view specifies how items are displayed, and the item consolidation determines how item data is aggregated or combined within the report. The Quantity Conversion Factors option allows you to define the quantity conversion factors used in reporting. The Add Stock Filter feature enables you to include or exclude specific stock filters. The Rate In option allows you to select the rate to be displayed in the report, while the Column As setting specifies the data that will appear in the column field. The Worker From option lets you select the source of worker details. In the Transaction Options section, you can define the transaction types and refine how the report calculates and displays quantities, rates, and amounts. You can specify the transaction types and totals to be included in the report. You can select the appropriate checkboxes to refine and customize the report output according to your requirements. Once all the settings are configured, save the configuration. The report setup has now been successfully created. Finally, click Create to generate the report. The generated report will display all available columns. To customize them, open the Setup Column Attributes option. First, unselect all columns, and then select only those you want to include in the report. You can also rearrange the column order using the arrow keys accordingly. Save the changes and refresh the report by pressing the F2 key. As you can see, the updated data has been reflected in the report. This report provides a comprehensive overview of the current production status across all stages of the manufacturing process, detailing the work completed, the pending quantities, and the production value, systematically categorized by process and size.
I hope this video was helpful. Thanks for watching. Like, share and subscribe.